Our presentation is on Sulcabrush and Tuft brushes. So major brands include Sulcabrush, Gum, Oral-B, and Stoddard. So price points and availability. So Sulcabrush is available online from eBay for $17.25 plus shipping for a 2-pack. And at Walmart, you could get it for $5.44, Amazon for $9.20, and replacement tips available for $2.29. So Tuft brushes for Gum, you can buy it at Walmart for $3.37 and Amazon for $7.02. And Oral-B for $3.84 and Stoddard for $3.99. So comparing availability. So Sulcabrush is more available than Tuft brush with more online options, and Tuft brushes tend to come in packages or several, and Sulcabrush is retailed in single packages.
So comparing the Sulcabrush to the Tuft brush, the Sulcabrush is a narrow 2-brush bristle head, and the Tuft brush, referring to the Gum brand, it has a tapered end. So there aren't any active ingredients in either the Tuft brush or the Sulcabrush because it is just a plastic handle with bristles on the end of it. However, this product can be used with toothpaste, which aids in remineralization. So the target audience for Sulcabrush and Tuft brushes are clients with accessible furcations and embrasure spaces. It's also used for clients that have hard to reach areas such as the distal of the last molars. It's used to clean around fixed dental appliances such as space maintainers, braces, implants, crowns, and bridges. And it can also be used with clients that have a difficult time flossing.
So for the use of a Sulcabrush, the Sulcabrush removes plaque, reduces gingivitis, and can improve the overall oral health. And how to use a Sulcabrush: position the bristles in the area around the gum line or at a 45-degree angle to the appliance you are cleaning, and use small circular motions to clean around the area. And as for how this product is marketed, we're just going to show you a commercial.
What's bothering you today? My gums won't stop bleeding, Doc. I think I got me some gingivitis.
Let's take a look.
He needs a Sulcabrush.
With the use of only one hand, the Canadian-made Sulcabrush cleans between teeth, brushes hard-to-reach places, and keeps your gums healthy. Clinically proven to help stop bleeding gums.
It's like flossing, yet easier.
Purchase a Sulcabrush and mail in for a free travel pouch.
Get a handle on healthy gums.
So how to use an Tuft brush. You want to place the Tuft brush along the gingival margin around the CEJ, applying light pressure while brushing along the gum line, and follow the curvature of the gum line using a circular motion. So an Tuft brush is used for cleaning specific difficult to reach areas like we had mentioned, crowns, bridge work, and between crowded teeth. So is a marketing supported by research? We found that there wasn't a lot of marketing or research based on either of these products, but we're going to show you a little video here. This is about the Tuft brush.
The single tufted brush, most people apply this right at the junction with a sort of stabbing action. And the risk is here that you will actually damage the soft tissue beyond the junction. The safest way is to place the toothbrush higher up on the tooth and gently fan the bristles out and walk it slowly down to the junction. And at that point, and only at that point, start the agitation. Where tissues are thin, you really don't need very much movement at all. Keep it very, very small.
So that video is just showing you how to use the Tuft brush. So I'm going to show you now with the Sulcabrush. This is a Sulcabrush brand brush. I don't know, you can see that. So there's an outside and an inside end. you kind of need to be aware of. And then these are the little replacement tips that you can buy that Christine mentioned. So all they do is just screw on, and you just want to make sure that you've got one going in each direction so that you have an outside and an inside end. So we're going to use Dexter here and just show you. So you want to put the inside end to the lingual surfaces and then the outside to the buckle. So I'll show you on the buckle surface here. So it makes it a little bit easier if you sort of use a modified pen grasp approach to it, and then just place it along the gum line and make small little circles all the way around the tooth and follow the curvature all the way along. So this is just going to stimulate the gum tissue around the CEJ. And like that last video showed you, you don't want to poke hard with the brush because the tissues are quite sensitive. So you just want to be very cautious at just rocking it along the gum line. And then just like our instruments in clinic, flip it for the other end so that you can get your surfaces away. And same thing, you just want to make small little circular motions following all the way along the gum line. It'll probably take you a few attempts at it to sort of get the feel of it down. It is a little bit awkward to use. So like we had said, these are reusable. So after you've used it, you probably just want to rinse it under some water and make sure that it's nice and dry before you use it the next time. But you just want to watch for any signs of wear, like flaring of the bristles and things, before you would replace it. But otherwise, pretty handy little brush. They also come in a pocket size, which can make it easier for on the go.